So let me first give you theoretical knowledge, and then we'll move ahead with practical thing. Practical
Okay.
thing will just take a day in a week. Okay.
Okay.
See, there is a factory here. There's a
Okay.
plant.
Okay.
There's a there is say ACC factory in Shabad. ACC has got two companies. One in uh, say say Ramagundam. Okay. Another in say uh, Hyderabad. Okay. They got two companies here. You're able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, the Ramagundam company, subsidiary, Ramagundam subsidiary, okay, have following plants. They have plant in say Shabad, okay, then they have plant say some other location. Okay, they have these two plants. Now Hyderabad unit, they have plant in say Mary Patnam, and the other plant will be in say Chilpur. Okay, just I'm taking rough plants. I might be wrong in the location. I'm just roughly taking some plants. Some plants are okay. Now Shabad plant may have storage locations like it's a huge plant, no? Hmm? Yeah, yeah. See, Shabad plant may be a huge plant. Okay, so the plant may have storage location. We'll say location one, location two, like that. And this may have same location like location A, location B.
Hello.
Okay. Okay. So as soon as the good receipt happens, the material comes inside the business, that is say inside Ramagundam factory, Ramagundam company. Okay, this is what company is doing. As soon as it comes inside one company, what happens? That means it is coming inside the plant. Once it is coming inside the plant, it will go directly to. But when it goes to this location, what is the? You have to understand under what area will go into. It may go into unrestricted. That is usually available for consumption. Understood?
Right.
quality means this is easily available for consumption, but only after
The inspection.
quality inspection. I'm repeating this because this is very important. Okay. Okay. And then block means
You cannot access.
yes, not available for consumption. Okay. So these are the three areas in each location where the materials will go to. Ah,
Right.
now, okay. Now the purchase order screen consists of how many sections?
3 sections.
What are they?
Header screen, header screen, item overview, item detail.
Okay. The header screen consists of what?
No, header will vendor name, address,
Okay.
the reference number,
Go ahead. Yeah, yeah. Good.
reference
Yes.
number,
Ah.
reference number, and date, the PO order number, PO reference, that is quotation reference number,
Do you know what is
and
the
delivery date, bill, shipping address, billing address.
Okay, good. Do you know what is this for them? I told you something about this collective number.
Collective number.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this?
Collective number.
Collective
Collective number,
number.
no. I'm not.
Okay, I tell you. If you forgot, no issue. I tell you. See, collective number is nothing but a collection of RFQs, okay, from different vendors.
Okay.
Bidding process might have gone
Okay.
on, no? So different vendors of the same nature. That is, if they are say if they are from the same for the same material or from the same location, such
Okay.
vendors will be collected together. You will be
Okay.
given one collective number. So out of that collective number, when we pull the database, what will happen is pull the database in accordance with the collective number one. Okay. So that means, and under one, what all the vendors are there, all these vendors will be pulled out of the records. And the best vendor in the bidding process will be this.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
this vendor comes from this collective number. That's what it is.
Okay.
Okay. Understood.
Yeah, understood.
Just write it down, because once you open up your own data SAP system, you will come to know.
Okay.
Just okay. Now, what are partners? Partners are different partners or different, different partners of the vendor himself. The vendor, see, we may order from the vendor, from one party, but there will be a different invoicing party, there will be a different shipping party, there will be a different billing party.
Okay.
You understand? We will be billing the vendor, but shipping might be done from somewhere else. Example, the best example is Flipkart. Flipkart is the vendor, but shipping might be done by somebody. Flipkart is a communication. Say vendor might be somebody in, say, if I'm ordering sweets, vendor might be somebody, say, like Pullareddy Sweets.
Right.
Flipkart will be a medium, Pullareddy will be the main vendor, but shipping party will be, say, DTC. Billing party will be, say, Pullareddy, Pullareddy Vijayawada. Okay. So they are, what are partners means? Partners are different areas of vendor who do different kinds of activities for the vendor himself. Okay. This is the additional data. So this is the organization data, status, customer data, and release strategy. Okay. Release strategy is a separate topic itself that I will be discussing in the days to come. Release strategy is nothing but the hierarchy of authorization that will take place for that particular document.
Okay.
Okay. Now, item overview. Overview, each line will be what I said, remember?
Yeah, the 1010.
What is this? See, everything. See, don't worry about the configuration part, okay? You had already asked me that whether you will be knowing about the configuration.
Right.
We will be dealing only with this. I will give you a separate notes on configuration itself for materials management.
Okay.
So it will actually breeze you through. But you need to know what are all these, okay? That is more important.
Okay.
That is what the whole world is dying for. Okay.
Okay.
Each line is what? Do you know each line?
Is the material. It is the material items.
No, I understand. But what is each item? What is this?
The material items. That's what I.
Each line is a requirement.
Okay.
Each line is a requirement. Okay.
Okay.
Each line is a requirement from the vendor. Sorry, customer. Each requirement. This is each requirement of a customer. What does he require?
Okay.
This is the first requirement. He needs this material of this quantity, of this nature, of this unit. Then he wants a delivery date of this. Okay. Now, his date can be blasted into delivery schedules. Suppose he wants a delivery date of this. The first request. See, this is very important for you to understand. See, you know purchasing very well. You know the domain very well. But how do you put the domain through different mouthpieces? That is very important. No.
Okay.
So what is a domain? Basically, a domain is what you want to do. What is an ERP? Basically, it is a mouthpiece to different stakeholders of the organization, including the vendor. Okay. Now, first requirement consists of a delivery date. See, this is the delivery date.
Right.
Note down.
Right.
At least note down the word delivery date and delivery schedule. There are two words. Delivery date, say hyphen, item overview, delivery schedule, hyphen, item detail. These are interconnected. I'm just creating one purchase requisition has been configured in such a way that purchase requisition is say I'm creating a purchase requisition. Okay.
Okay.
Now, when do we create a purchase requisition? When does a business create a purchase requisition? Who creates a purchase requisition? That in the meantime, I'll create.
No, who require the items? Who require the materials? Maybe production, or maybe R&D, or whoever require maybe a service, or whoever require the material, they want to raise a requisition.
Very good. Now, say ACC cement factory has got. Let us talk to this. ACC cement factory has got Ramagundam and Hyderabad. Okay. I'm telling all these regions because you belong to that region. No? That's why I'm just making you familiar with this.
Okay.
So say Ramagundam, Shabad may be in Karnataka, but still, I telling you whatever I know. So the Shabad unit, say Somagudam unit, which is in Mancherial, they've got location A and B. That is, they've got plant A and plant B.
Okay.
So under plant A, there will be a purchase organization. Say this is the purchase organization. Don't look at this. This is the description of the purchase organization.
Okay.
Look at this. Okay. This is the purchase organization. Now, under that purchase organization, they may have a purchasing group. Okay.
Okay.
They may have a purchasing. So this purchasing group, under this purchase organization, this is not a part of organization structure. Organization structure is only this. It ends up with this. It actually ends up with this. Okay. But this is the lowest part of organization structure. That is the company. Plant comes under company and purchase organization comes under plant. So under each purchase organization, they have a purchase group. So they have divided themselves into groups. Okay. So this purchase organization will be responsible for creating the whole inventing. No. Under the plant, under each plant, you will have a store, right? In plant, you have a store, correct? So the store will be raising an inventing, correct? So what happens is, say suppose, say somebody like Vijay. Say Vijay is working in say stationery store, and he wants say 1,000 pencils and 500 rubbers. Okay, so 1,000 pencils will be narrated here. Instead of this material, we'll have pencils. Okay, and the pencil will have a master, and the master will be defined here.
Right.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, instead of that master will be defined here. Okay, this will be the master. Okay, so he will be raising an indenting, and this is the purchase requisition.
Okay.
This is the pricing, and this pricing comes under a separate topic called price determination, which we will be discussing. Okay, now this is the indenting. In indenting, you have many things. You have the purchase, the invoice receipt. What is see in purchase requisition screen also you have this good receipt. Good receipt means this document will be thrown to good receipt. That is, good receipt should be available for them. Invoice receipt should be available for them.
Right.
Okay. If there is an invoice receipt, that means it is a valuation material. Okay.
Right.
Now, see, the status is also blocked. It is not blocked. The state, if it is blocked now, then you can just yes. Okay. Now there is one more. See, this is also a requirement. it's exact. It goes on same lines as that of purchase order. Okay. Only thing is that this is the purchase requisition. Okay.
Okay.
Line number 10. So under for line number 10, you have all these specifications.
Okay.
This is the material group. This is the master. This is the master. This is the short text of the master. This
Okay.
is the quantity section where you. Now in quantity section, you have something called closed. This is very short close of purchase requisition. Okay.
Okay.
Purchase requisition will be short closed.
Okay.
Please note it down. This
Okay.
is very important.
Okay.